Hi everybody, my name is Stefan and in this tutorial we will take a look at the Shopify app called PikUp and how this app works. PikUp is an embedded Shopify app that enables you to create pick and packing lists in a very easy and straightforward way. So let me share my screen to see how the app works. After installing the app, you will see the welcome screen, and you can also find this video tutorial here in the welcome screen. To create the first pick and pack list, we just have to go to the orders overview of your Shopify admin. Now we can select all orders that we want to add to a new pick list. Let's start with 4 orders. Then we go to the bulk action menu of the Shopify order overview and click Add to Pick List. Now PikUp asks if we want to add the selected orders to an existing pick list, or we want to create a new one. In this case, we start with a new one. We click Create New Pick List. After a couple of seconds, you will see the created pick and packing list with some additional options. For instance, you can download the pick and packing list as a PDF document, or you can easily share them with the share button here, right here. The share button opens a dialog where you can copy the link which refers to this view, or you can share this pick list by sending the link via email. Therefore, you can type in an email address and you can click send, where this link to this view will be shared to an external service provider like a fulfillment center. The advantage of this is that the external service provider don't need access to your Shopify admin. He is able to open the link without having an account in your Shopify store. Let's see how this looks like. I open a private tab and I open this link. And now we will see also the pick list, but without the Shopify context, without a Shopify admin. This enables you to work with external service providers without giving them access to your Shopify admin. At the end of the video, let's see what the app also offers for you to navigate through the created pick lists. You can go to the dashboard, and here you can filter by the order number through all pick lists that you created since you have the app installed. You can also open them like we saw after we created them. Okay. Then we have a settings section where you can upload your logo. This logo will appear on the PDF documents if you want to use the PDF documents. And for example, if you have more than one store, you can print the pick list, the PDF documents with the logo of each store. For example, you have one warehouse or one fulfilled service Dienstleister, fulfilled service provider, and you will print the pick lists to the shop where the pick list is created from. And then you have the option to hide or display columns, informations in the pick list. Then you can just uncheck the checkboxes here when you want to hide some informations on the pick list that you don't need. Yeah, this is everything that we have to say at the moment for the app, for the version of the app at the moment. So if we have some updates, if we add some more features, we will record more videos and link them into the app. And you can also subscribe this YouTube channel. We will upload all updates for the app here on our YouTube channel. We wish you all the best and for your business and for you. So best regards from Germany, your 24/7 Apps team. Bye bye.